Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of changing your phone number on the WhatsApp app. Let's get started. The first step is to open your WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the settings located at the bottom right corner. This is where we'll initiate the process of changing your phone number. Inside the settings, tap on Account. This is where you'll find the option to change your phone number. Locate the Change Number option and tap on it to proceed to the next step. A new window will appear. Click on the Next at the top right corner. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your current phone number in the first text field. After that, input your new phone number in the second text field. If you need to change the country, you can do so by selecting your desired country from the list provided. Moving on to the next step. Click Next. Here, you have the option to notify your contacts about the number change. If you choose to notify them, you can select All Contacts, Contacts I have chats with, or customize your list. If you prefer not to notify anyone, simply turn off this option. After making your selections, tap on Done. The app will then confirm whether the entered number is correct. Confirm it. And the next step involves receiving a 6-digit confirmation call to your new phone number. Answer the confirmation call, and you'll receive a 6-digit code. Enter this code in the provided field and hit Add Done. And there you have it. Your phone number on WhatsApp has been successfully changed to the new one. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.